In this video, I will show you the secret to win binary options constantly. And it costed me around 10,000 hours of experience and trading sessions to figure out how to make constant profit in binary options trading. You see it here on the right side, my history of trading. I made over 2.5 grand today trading the euro dollar by using my simple analysis technique, which you can apply yourself in your trading. And this will not be a stupid indicator strategy. I will call it stupid, like these other influencers or YouTubers are showing you with binary options trading. We don't use all these bullshit. Okay, we don't use signals, we don't use indicators, we are using like the pros, the pure price action. And in this video I will show you to do it, how to implement it step by step. And yeah, I told you I have a lot of experience in trading. It cost me around 10,000 hours to figure it out, to make constant profit. And if you watch this video to the end, it will cost you nothing. So let's get started here on binaryoptions.com. I will show you now the step-by-step process, how to apply, how to implement the winning trades, and maybe we will find a good trading opportunity, live trading opportunity in this session here too. I'm here on Pocket Option, my favorite broker. You can also see this on binaryoptions.com. using this broker. And the first thing what I'm doing here, please notice it and write down, maybe next to you with a pen or just using an editor, and write down what I'm telling you now. The first thing is you need to get an overview about the bigger picture. I write it down here for you, the bigger picture. It's very important. Because if you don't see the bigger picture, you might get in a situation where you think you are right, but the bigger picture is against you, so you have a lot of lost trades in a row. So to get to the bigger picture, the first thing is you go to your charting software. First thing is you zoom out. You don't trade like this. You don't trade like an idiot and look like to the chart like this, because you don't see much. Okay, the first thing is zoom out. So now I have a nice overview about the price movement today, and what I'm seeing here, simple. I'm seeing rising highs, I'm seeing rising lows, and the market shows me it goes up. This is the structure which I'm seeing in the bigger picture. And if you don't zoom out, right, you don't see it really. You don't see it really. You could check this out and you think it goes down, but overall the bigger picture is up. Yeah. And the next step is, in the bigger picture, in the first step, you go to the higher time frame. You switch. If you trade 1 minute, I personally like 1 minute trading, 60-second trading, it's perfect for me. You switch to the 5-minute chart or the 50-minute chart. I will go to the 50-minute chart today, and you see what's happening here. So you get a bigger picture. And what I'm seeing here, okay, the week started with a drop in price. Now we have a slight correction today. It goes up. And what I'm seeing here, okay, we maybe have around here a resistance, or around here we have a resistance. So the price might have a hard time to go higher, because here a lot of resistance from the downtrend, and it could continue go down. So now I'm aware on the bigger picture. I make a conclusion now. What I was seeing the current trend is up, but we have around here, we have some resistance. So be aware of this. So we now know, okay, what's going on. The second step is focus on the current movement right now here. The current movement is this one, right? You see what's happening here. The second step is mostly a little bit more important than the first step. The second step, really, you need to check it. You need to check it what the price is doing at the moment, because you can see what's happening here. If you are a trader and make your analysis, for example, price action or some other things, and you go in the past, you go like this, yeah, you go like 5 days in the past and you mark your resistance and support, it might not work well, because the focus is on the current price and the market is always changing, and they might ignore the old levels because they are so much in the past that they don't work. They will not work today. So I like to trade the fresh levels. The second step is current price movement, right? Second step, very important, what's happening here. And I always teach this on binaryoptions.com, right? I always teach this to check the current price movement. I repeat it. You see it, it goes up. We now know the bigger picture, some resistance here. It could go up to this high and break this high. So, current movement. The third thing is, these are the basic steps. You get your entry signal. Entry signal. What is an entry signal? An entry signal can be a wick. I will explain to you very simple. It can be a wick. What is a wick? Like this here. You see a box of the candle with a big shadow. Also you see it here. This is a wick, or this is a wick, right? Or this is a wick. But the wick needs to be within the trend or on a support and resistance level. We might see an example very soon here. The second entry signal can be a color change. So if the market goes, let's say down, 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 down and down, and now we see a color change. I definitely will change the color here. Green candle, it comes to a green candle. This can be a signal to go in on a long trade, for example, right? So now we have the 3 simple steps, right? But there's more to know, and you can also visit binaryoptions.com to figure out more about this trading style, to get more information, because if I would pack everything in this video, it's very hard. It would be a 10 hours video to show you exactly. But here you right now know the 3 important steps which I always doing. So now let's get started here. And I'm seeing, okay, the market is moving sideways here. I cannot trade. This is another secret which I'm showing you. You need to know when you can trade. Here I opened a whiteboard, and if we see the market comes from below here, goes in a phase like this. And you want to trade here, it's super hard to trade. I cannot recommend it. If the market is in a small range, you should not trade it, because the movement, it always can go up, down, up, down, up, down, up, down, and you enter your trade and you make a loss. So don't trade if you have these movements. When I want to trade is when I have these candles which are very clear and going in one direction. If I don't have this, I prefer not to trade, because it's too difficult. And as a trader, I want easy trades, easy money. So I focus on this. So what I mean here, that's where I traded these trades here in the morning. I traded this movement here. And you also could trade this movement up, because you see clear, clear, clear candles, clear, clear, clear candles, and then you can enter your trades. I traded here down with the current movement, and also this green candle I traded, and it works perfectly fine. So if the market has the momentum, you can trade. So right now it goes up, and we can we do 30 seconds? No, I'm too late. This is nothing we should do here right now. I'm too late. we see market is in this movement, and yeah, it will be pretty hard to trade. So let's go to another chart. For example, the euro yen. Similar, it's looking similar to the euro dollar, trading up. Okay, made a new high. You can remember after making a new high, it corrects somehow. So yeah, we can do here a short trade. Definitely we can do a short trade. Here this one, I put my money in here, $500. And why I go in here? Because I know after we breaking these highs, the market often do a small rejection. Here we see a rejection candle. Here we see red candles. And yeah, okay. I might be too late. You see, you could trade these two candles. And I was thinking after the next trade candle, it will be red. But I'm losing this trade. So this was a trade opportunity against the trend, but I'm not making it. It's not a problem, because you will succeed even if you have one or two losing trades. You will succeed by making this strategy apply to your trading, because you can trade more trades and you can double up the money and you will have a very high hit rate. So let's keep watching this pair here, very interesting. Maybe we see a bigger drop, then we can trade it down. This is fully against the bigger picture. This trade is fully against the bigger picture, but I know, secret, after hitting this high, we might have a correction down. Okay, not happening right now, so seems trending up, but if we get a bigger correction down, I will be making the trade. Let's go back to the euro dollar. What's happening here? We need to wait some seconds. I'm sure we need to wait. Yeah, this thing goes up, up, up. Going back to the 5-minute chart. Yeah, this is looking like high, lower high, reversal. Trend continuing with the bigger picture. So right now we will have a trading opportunity. After this candle, after this momentum candle, this can work out very good. Yeah. Let's go in here, 2 trades. I opened, doubled the money from the last trade. We will switch back to the euro Japanese yen very soon to check it. Yeah, this bad boy. Yeah, now this bad boy is dropping. You see it, you could go in here, definitely, you could go in here to win it. Because you're trading the fake breakout. If you go to binaryoptions.com to strategies, you see a deeper explanation also of this fake breakout strategy, which I wanted to using here, but it didn't work out. So right now we have also another big problem here, because this trade also don't work out. Yeah, it worked out, maybe 5 seconds, come on, 2 seconds. Yeah, we won this both, very lucky. Sometimes you have to be lucky, but yeah, both worked out, very lucky. And you see what I mean here is bigger picture. I repeat it again for you. Bigger picture is, okay, down, 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 down. So we have a high. This is a daily high also. Called a daily high. Daily high. It doesn't continue. It makes this wick with the candle before, and now we might get a lower high, so the market continues to drop. Okay, I'm just watching these highs and lows, and then I go in. So this is very interesting, and we can make more money here in the next seconds. This looking good. You see now it dropped. Okay, made this wick in the other direction. Made this wick, can be dropping further. Normally it works, but I'm just waiting this candle. What I'm doing here is I always wait till the candle is finished and then I go in. If I see right now here a color change, if the next candle become red, I can go in here again. This is the entry signal I talked a few minutes ago. And yeah, let me see if we can make another trade. But yeah, maybe it will not go down. It will not do a lower high. But I don't care because I'm watching the movement in the second step, the current thing, the current movement. Yeah, right now we see some movement. Switch back to the euro. Japanese yen. Yeah, you see it. This candle would be better to trade this one here to make the short trade. But yeah, I was a little bit too early. Should have waited for the momentum to apply. And yeah, let's see what's happening here. Euro dollar. Still in this range, so be very careful if the market range like this. We need to be careful, definitely. Now we see this is a nice opportunity, maybe. Let's wait till the candle is finished. This doesn't look so good because we have this lower wick. Let's rate this candle. Normally I don't trade against wicks. Yeah, I trade with the wick. With the rejection, because a wick is nothing else than the market price goes like this, rejection. Right, okay, this one could work out. Very nice. Yeah, I will go in with the next trade here. Go in here. There it is. Wow. Good start for this candle. Good start. "30 seconds left," and you see it. It works perfectly fine. As I tell you in my other videos, I always repeat it. I always show you the same strategy in my videos on binaryoptions.com. The same thing you need to do always here. The same thing. Very important. Always the same method, always the same strategy. And yeah, you can do it. Just be aware of this, which I showed you before. If the market goes like this, you cannot trade. It's very difficult. So we won this trade also. So yeah, that's how it works. For today, I made a lot of profit, enough. And this is over $3,000 in profit for a typical trading session. And yeah, this is enough. Don't overtrade here. This is really, really enough. And yeah, you can do it by your own. You will find all the link in the description below. And I just asking you, okay, give me a thumbs up for this video. See you in the next video. Leave a comment below and thank you for watching.